Elon Musk's artificial intelligence company, x.ai, is set to release its first AI model. Musk made the announcement without specifying the model's function or initial recipients. He described the model as one of the best in certain aspects, but provided no further details. x.ai, established by Musk in July, aims to understand the fundamental nature of the universe. The company's team comprises top researchers from renowned AI labs such as Google DeepMind, OpenAI, and Microsoft. Musk's ambition is to rival industry leaders like DeepMind and OpenAI, and he is working on an alternative to ChatGPT humorously called TruthGPT. Musk has long been interested in AI and emphasized the need to address its potential risks. He was a co-founder and early supporter of OpenAI, but distanced himself from the company in 2018. Musk advocates for caution regarding AI's potential impact on humanity, particularly as technologies like ChatGPT gain widespread success. He aims to develop artificial general intelligence, AGI, which mirrors human-like learning and capabilities. x.ai is distinct from X Corp, the company Musk renamed Twitter earlier this year, but it will collaborate closely with X, Tesla, and other companies in pursuit of its mission. Recently, Musk participated in Britain's high-profile AI Safety Summit, where he stated that AI will be the most disruptive force in history, though ultimately beneficial. He suggested that AI could potentially eliminate the necessity for work, though emphasized the importance of having an off switch as a safety measure in case the technology proves less friendly than anticipated. The summit resulted in an international declaration from government, societal, and tech industry leaders, highlighting the need to address the risks associated with AI development. The conference is set to continue next year with France as the host.